Thanks, Jason. Hi, everybody. I'm Ellie from the Android team, and I'm here with Ficus Kirkpatrick, our engineering director. We hope that Firebase will make it a lot easier for all of you to build great apps. And we're also thinking hard about how Android apps should evolve and do more. We'll be showing you a sneak peek of a new project. We think it's going to change how people experience Android apps, and we'll be bringing it to Android users and developers over the next year. Developers like all of you here have built amazing Android apps. They unleash the full power of Android devices, seamlessly combining the camera, sensors, smooth animations, and more. But you've really told us that you want to be able to bring users into your apps more quickly. We want to make it easier for users and developers to connect, for users to access a wider range of apps, and for developers to reach more people. With the web, you could just click on a link and land on a web page. That's one click and a few seconds. What if you could run any app with one tap? That's what we're working on. We're evolving Android apps to run instantly, without installation. We call this Android Instant Apps. We're going to share a quick preview of what we've been working on, and I can't tell you how much I've been looking forward to this moment for a really long time. So let's say my friend Michael sends me this link to Tasty on BuzzFeed Video. And let's be completely clear. Let's be honest with each other. I do not have the BuzzFeed Video app installed on my phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap the URL, and it's going to take me right into BuzzFeed Video's Android app without installing it. Ficus, go. What's happening here is Google Play is fetching only the pieces of the app that we need right now. There. We are in the Android app, and I didn't even have to install it. It was pretty fast too, right? So here you can see there's a bunch of different videos showing to make a whole bunch of different recipes, and the videos start playing automatically. Remember, it's a real Android app, right? And I can just swipe and go to the next video really quickly. The app was able to open so fast because it's been split up into modules. When Ficus tapped the link, Google Play downloaded only the code that was necessary to display this screen. And if I want to keep BuzzFeed Video on my home screen, it's simple to install the app right here. Here's another example. B&H Photo and Video has a beautiful Android app, but I don't have it on my phone because I don't shop for cameras every day. Now, if I'm searching for something specific, like a camera bag, I can still get that same experience. With one tap, the app opens up right to the bag I want to buy. Technically, this is a deep link to the Android activity B&H wrote to display this product page. And that's all Google Play needed to download. I can also swipe here and see more details about the bag. Now, when I add it to my cart, the animation there, it was pretty slick. And at checkout time, Android Pay works, just like if I had the app installed. I don't have to pull out my credit card or type in my name and address. With Android Instant Apps, I'm already signed in, and I'm ready to pay. And so it's going to take me 2 taps, not 2 minutes. Finally, let's see how Android Instant Apps could help me when I'm out and about. So, I walk up to a parking meter and I need to pay. I'm in a real hurry today, and I don't have time to install a parking app. But what if I could just tap my phone, and with NFC, it could bring up the parking app immediately? All I have to do is choose how long I want to park. I'm already done. And now Ficus can run off the stage to his meeting and even add more parking time later if he really needs to. So that's Android Instant Apps. As a user, it's totally seamless, from launching the app to signing in to making payments. Now, as a developer, you'll update your existing app. It's the same Android APIs, the same project, and the same source code. And it can take less than a day of work, depending on how your app is built. You'll modularize your app, and Google Play will download only the parts that are needed on the fly, as we saw here. We're really excited to give developers more ways to get their apps into the hands of users. In addition to discovering your apps in the Play Store and installing them, Instant Apps will provide another on-ramp. People can use your Instant App directly, and, as we showed earlier, if they want to install it, that's easy too. Most importantly, you will be in control of the experiences you build. And when you do make the update, your app will be just one tap away for over 1 billion people. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention one really important detail. So this demo that Ficus did, he actually did that on a phone running KitKat. You should know that Instant Apps is going to be compatible all the way back to Jelly Bean. And we really want for all of you to be able to try this. And we're really going to make it available to you just as soon as we can. But it's a big change in how we think about apps. We want to get it right. And so that's going to take some time for us. We're working now with a small set of developers, and we'll be gradually rolling out access and actually rolling out Instant Apps to users later this year. We are so excited about all of the opportunities that this will open up. And we can't wait to see what you are going to build when your app is just a tap away. And with that, I'll hand it back to Sundar.